Hey guys, Angela Rose Johnson here. I want to say that I've had a massive amount of response from people saying, I love your teeth. I posted a picture of me today wearing my teeth. Want to give an honest review. I'm one of those people that I don't want to just do the first excitement. I want to actually wear them, test them out, and give an honest testimonial about these pop-on veneers. And I'm telling you what, I'm in love with them. They're freaking awesome. So as you can see through the years, I've been a smoker, discoloration. I've had chips and stuff, and I got cracks and everything else. And I decided, since I can't afford all that fancy stuff right now, as a single mom, I can afford these. They let you pick a payment plan, $29 down payment. So just show you how much. Nice and easy. Literally, bam. And I picked Hollywood White. Absolutely love it. 5 stars, definitely 5 stars. Like I said, I'm not the kind to submit reviews. No, I'm not getting paid for this. I'm just saying that I have a lot of friends and family out there that can't afford to get the surgeries and, get the implants or get porcelain veneer caps,